In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord microphone toggle mute key binding. Having quick access to your microphone controls can make a huge difference when you're using Discord for gaming, streaming, online meetings, or simply chatting with friends. Instead of manually clicking the mute button every time you need to silence your microphone, you can assign a keyboard shortcut that lets you toggle your mic on or off instantly. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a microphone toggle mute key binding in Discord so you can control your voice input more efficiently. To begin, open the Discord desktop application on your computer. This feature is available through the desktop app, so make sure you're using it rather than the browser version. Once Discord has opened, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon to open user settings. This section contains all of your account preferences, voice settings, and customization options. After entering user settings, scroll down through the menu on the left until you find the Keybinds section under the App Settings category. Open it to access Discord's custom keyboard shortcut options. Keybinds are designed to help you perform common actions quickly, making it much easier to control Discord while you're focused on another task. Next, click the Add a Keybind button. This creates a new shortcut that you can customize for a specific action. Once the new keybind appears, locate the Action menu and click the drop-down list. From the available options, select Toggle Mute. This action allows your microphone to switch between muted and unmuted each time you press the assigned keyboard shortcut. After selecting Toggle Mute, click the empty key field beside the action. Now press the key or key combination you'd like to use. A simple function key such as F6 can be a convenient choice, or you can select a combination like Ctrl+M if that feels more comfortable. Choose a shortcut that's easy to remember and doesn't interfere with the other applications you regularly use. If Discord displays a stop recording button after you press your chosen shortcut, click it to finish capturing the key binding. Once you've done that, the shortcut is automatically saved and ready to use. From now on, pressing your assigned key will instantly mute or unmute your microphone without requiring you to open any menus. This makes it much easier to manage unexpected background noise, respond quickly during conversations, and maintain smooth communication while gaming, streaming, or participating in voice calls. You can also create additional keybinds later for other voice controls if you need even more flexibility. That's all there is to it. You've successfully configured a Discord microphone toggle mute key binding, making your voice controls faster, more convenient, and easier to access whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.